All right. So here you are at the finale of the NASCAR truck race at Phoenix. And everybody's holding their breath right now to see who can get this done. Six to go. You can tell this is a short track, so this track is really really gonna take some fast laps here. Yeah, quick laps too. 5 laps. Nobody this up. Jeez, Tom and Jessica got real high up there. Yeah, he definitely did. All right, now we hit the 4 laps. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, is that somebody? Oh, please don't add on a caution. Please. We don't want anything messing up. We got 4 laps to go, and we don't want anything happening. You might want to come in the pits real quick. Yeah, his tire's rubbing. I can see that. Oh, wait, he's staying out? Jeez, you don't want anything happening at all? What if that thing starts popping, you would start sliding out of control? Tire's rubbing. Oh, yep, there we go. That just happened quick. See, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, man. What happened? His tire blew out. Yikes. Yeah. Okay, now, this is definitely gonna change something here. Mm-hmm. Yikes. Okay, now this is definitely gonna change something here. Oh, brother. My heart's pounding. This is intense. Yeah, it's gonna get intense. Let's hope nobody screwed this up, okay? Let's hope nobody left this up. Alright, so, we're about to go overtime here, and, let's hope nobody screws this up, because we got one of these two who stayed out for some unknown reason. Don't know why you two decided to stay out for some unknown reason. It would have been a stupid choice to just pit anyway, but, yeah, here we go. We're about to get going. Yep. Overtime, and we are underway. Let's go. Green flag. Oh, look at Cory. Look at Cory. Yeah, I see him. Oh. Oh my goodness. Dang, all the way to the bottom. Hello. Oh. Dang, Cory Heim out of nowhere. Yeah. And Time and Jesse's gonna try to defend. Oh no. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, we got a wreck. Nope, caution. Oh, this is one of the playout drivers. Oh, jeez. That's caution number 7. Man, I can tell this is definitely Cory Heim's day. Cause you saw how way he moved to the bottom? Uh-huh. Oh, brother. You're shaking your leg. I know. I know. Ish. Yeah, I guess that's another red flag. Oh, jeez. Another red flag? Wow, we just... Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, let's see this replay before we stop. Watch Cory. All the way to the bottom, didn't hit the pits. Hey, talk about a move of the night, Glad he didn't hit the pits, because if he did, then yeah, it would have been game over for Cory. It would have been game over. Okay, so they're getting the trucks ready to roll. Let's hope nobody start crashing, because we got about like serious casualties going on, and we don't want to start another wreck. We definitely do not want to at all. Look at them all praying. Okay, we're ready to go. Yep. 1 Ford and 1 Toyota ready to roll. And here we go. Green flag. Let's roll. Oof. Oh boy. Oh, side by side. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, Cory Heim's got it. Cory Heim's got it. He got the lead. Now he's long gone. Yeah, it's all Cory Heim at this point. He's got the lead and everything. This is why taking 4 tires is always going to be happening. Yep. 1 to go. He is long gone. Long gone, I tell you. Jeez, what can I say at this point? Cory Heim just straight up dominated from start to finish. Yeah. Got stage 1 done. Stage 2 finish. And look where he's at. Yep. Coming off the final corner, Cory Heim is your 2025 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series champion. Congrats, man. And that's win number 12 in the bucket list. Whew. Now we can breathe. Yep. We can all relax and breathe. Congratulations, Cory. You have done yourself well. You've done yourself proud. There's the trophy. Whew. Wow. That was pretty rough for them, but hey, they managed to make it to the end with only 2 overtimes. Whew. Jeez. I gotta say, man, only 2 cautions, 2 red flags, and actually 3 if you count the one who just blew its tire. But yeah, 3 cautions, 2 red flags, and there you have it. That's the end of the NASCAR Truck Series, and let the emotions hit hard.